Okay, guys. So I have the Laravel applications here in this one. So I also have the React Native applications here. So the problem is when you use the local environment of the Laravel, like PHP Artisan Serve, so it's not pointing me or it's not working with the URL when I am checking the APIs with my Postman. So as you can see, this is Postman. So let me just quickly give the prompt. I'm saying PHP artisan serve. So this is the URL. It's working fine. That is the URL. It's working fine. Okay. Now the problem is if you're going to use this particular URL here in the Postman for 480, 8000. So this one, it won't work. Why? Because it's not giving you the code. So now you have to use another command prompt. And now you have to use this prompt, this one, PHP, sorry, ipconfig. So find your IP address. So as you can see, IPv4, this is the IP address. Keep this IP address in a place like this. So now you get the IP address. Now you have to execute the server. Which one? Uh, okay, so let me just copy this one and paste this one or replace this one here, like this one. Let me try either it's working or not. So now click, it won't work. And you can see it's not working. Why? Because you have to use this specific command for this one. Fine. So now if I'm saying that this is the older one serving command, if I'm saying this code and I'm saying PHP artisan serve dash dash host equals to 0.0.0.0 dash dash port equals to port name. So now it's working with this particular port. Since you have the IP address now, so if you go to the page, click on this one. So it's not working. Why? Because you have to remove this one. Now, as you can see, you are fetching the data from by using the APIs from your Laravel application. So in this way, you can fix the problem.